Welcome back to Rotomotive and the Chevelle, the Ruster. Oh, this damn car is going to be the death of me. Okay, so this episode, cutting. Okay, so I think I want to cut these out, this out. I got to cut these off. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I might just burn. I don't plan on reusing them. They're in decent enough shape, but since I'm getting rid of the inner wheel hub, whatever you want to call this, rear wheel well, whatever. This thing, these, both sides, they're going to go away. I'm going to tub it, kind of. Not too crazy because I want the tires to stick out, not in, whatever. Getting off task. Okay. So I need to go through and start finding, I gotta find these spot welds. I'm probably just gonna file this all the way down like I did the other side. File this all the way down. This one, I don't know yet. So as you can see, maybe you can't. I'm not entirely sure what the hell I'm looking at. Okay. So, this is not the old quarter panel like I thought it was, because I don't see where there'd be two pieces of metal attached. Okay, so when my dad did this, we did here, apparently, so I can grind down these, grind down that, cut that. This is all broken, so that's no longer attached. Cut there. I'm not doing great at this pointing thing. Cut here. Boo. Underneath there is not attached. At least, yeah, that's not attached. These just have some fill welds. I don't know. There's holes drilled and there's a little weld in it. Get through those. Down here's not attached, so that's not going to be a problem. I don't have to worry about these. Got to take this off, take that off. Don't have to, but I'm going to. Actually, this one I might have to. I think that attaches to the skeleton, maybe. Maybe not. Whatever. Get through all the spot welds on this. Find the spot welds here. And find the spot welds here. Or grind it down. The other side, I just filed the hell out of it. That Harbor Freight Special works wonders. You can already see there's no lack of cancer on this car. This side I shouldn't have as much body filler issues, but I could be wrong. I haven't quite dug into it. Up here I'll probably just do the same thing to where I kind of cut and cut. I don't know, they're separate pieces, right? You can see right here, separate piece, but I just don't know how to properly take it apart. And since I don't know how to properly take it apart, I'm going to do it the wrong way, because the main thing is getting it off of there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this side, at least the top part, is still factory. I know this isn't, because my dad and I did this. As you can see, the tree kind of got this side as well. The skeleton's not as affected as the other side, so that's good. I feel like at this point I'm just rambling and saying the same crap over again. So, I guess I'm going to get off my ass and get to work. Follow along. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Small channel, but you got to start somewhere. All right. I think that's enough footage for this video. So let's see what we accomplished. We'll start over here. Remove the lead out of this guy. I didn't record it, but I had a buddy come over and put in this inner structure. Just a little bit of bracing to keep things somewhat in their place, because after the roof comes out, we'll start going to town on trying to get those back in their place. As you can see, this quarter panel is gone. I do need to finish removing this and this. So that's where I'm going to start on the next video, and then it'll be the roof. But you can kind of see there is a little bit of damage to this guy that's going to need fixed as well. I don't know how bad it is in comparison. Well, I do know how bad it is in comparison. You know, it's really not that bad. But it's not good, right? It's not where it's supposed to be. I think once I start to kind of set the quarters on here and look at things, you'll really be able to see that it's just not in the right spot. So with that, you know, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Feel free to comment on what I'm doing wrong, or, you know, if you're gracious, hype me up, because this stupid thing has a lot of work. A lot of work. But, you know, so far I am less than $5,000 into this Chevelle. By the time the whole body's fixed, I'll be roughly $7,000 in, and that's with tools. I would say that's pretty damn good for, you know, at that point, it's going to be close to rust-free Chevelle. It's not something you find anymore. So with that, it's the end of this video. Thank you.